You tell, you looks like you're making something here. What do you say, Country Boy crackers?
Yeah, little snack crackers there.
So just tell us how to go about doing this.
We got a little dressing here. We just pour a pack of it in a bowl.
Uh-huh. There you go.
Try to make sure you get it all.
Uh-huh.
Then you get a little bit of garlic powder from your local store.
Oh, you got to measure that out now.
Yeah, and kind of measure it out about a teaspoon, a little more, it don't matter. That's my
Country Boy crackers.
Country Boy crackers.
Premiums here, are they the best?
Yeah, that'll be all right.
Uh-huh.
And that's a little bit of cayenne pepper.
Okay. Ooh, it's going to be hot, Clyde. I don't think I can do that.
If you go over a little bit, don't pay no attention to it.
That sounds a little bit too much for me. Uh-oh. What kind you got there? Show that close here. So.
Yeah, we're going to put just a little bit of that kind of pepper
Ooh.
in it.
Ooh. This is hot stuff here.
Yeah,
I remember, Clyde,
Clyde,
I'm Norwegian. So what my spices are salt and pepper.
Then to slick it all up, we put us in 1 cup of oil.
What kind of oil you got? You got canola oil there?
I got canola oil, but it could be any kind, I guess.
Oh, looks like we got some water over there too, but
Yeah.
can't tell what kind of water that is.
Then you stir it all up together right good.
Uh-huh. Ooh. Sounds a little bit stiff to me. Uh-huh.
Now this is one of them that saves on electric, so you don't have to cook it,
Uh-huh.
all that.
Uh-huh.
That way you won't smell up the house with your pepper.
Right.
Now after you eat some,
Uh-huh.
it might change.
I gotta see
all
what
stirred up.
you got some saying of mixing water over there. You're not using that in there.
No, I ain't
no.
mixing that.
Okay. Has some kind of mixing water there.
Put
But
some of that Climax water.
yeah. Okay, so you got it stirred.
And once you stir it up, just take your bag of crackers.
Oh, you got a whole bag full of
Yeah, a
crackers.
whole bag. I got three
Wow.
packs in there.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're gonna pour that right in
Just
that
pour
bag?
it right in there with it.
That saves on the dishes.
Yeah. Then
Now.
if you want to be as stingy as I am,
Uh-huh.
you just make sure you get it all.
Yeah.
Ain't no use to waste on flavor.
Uh-huh. Now.
And then you just zip it up. That's why they call it Ziploc bag.
Uh-huh.
Then
Now,
you just start twisting it, rolling it.
Uh-huh.
Just mix it all up good.
Yeah. Was this a pass down from your papa or?
No, this here just a friend of mine showed me how to do that.
Uh-huh. Get them all covered.
Get them all covered good.
Uh-huh.
Just let it soak a little bit as it goes. Now you'd think all that cup of oil at the crackers would be soggy,
Uh-huh.
but they're not.
Oh, really?
They stay crispy.
All right.
That way you can have a
Now, I think
little crunch with it.
are you going to smash these now?
No,
Oh, no.
No. I'm trying to not break them because some of them will get broke.
Uh-huh.
That way you don't have to chew as much.
Uh-huh.
But it's just like Maxwell House coffee. It's good to the last drop.
Now, how soon can you eat these, Clyde?
Just as soon as I quit here.
Uh-huh.
Then you can go at it. I just roll them around and mix them up a little and keep
Yeah.
be sure to get some
Garlic
on all
powder, cayenne. You showed us how to do it in the jalapenos. Wow.
Uh-huh.
You should grow. You make those. Okay. Now you're just going to go ahead and eat one right now.
They're
ready to
mixed
go.
up just a little bit more, but
Ooh. I can see the smoke coming right out of there, Clyde. That hot pepper there.
now I'll try you one. It's tasty, ain't it?
That's pretty good.
Now I'll go back at the same process and go again.
Yeah. That's not bad, Clyde.
Yep.
Country Boy crackers. Delicious.
And one thing about eating these, it kind of knocks the hunger. and you won't lose you pretty quick. It took me 63 years to get this, and I don't want to lose you that kind of fast.
Okay, Clyde. Well, we'll send this out there and see a low-fat diet.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.